Welcome back to the channel, guys. It is the same day and we're actually finishing up a different part. This is part 2 of the reseal, and what we're doing is we're finishing up the tail lights and the side markers in today's video. So we've got these awesome Euro style tail lights from, are these from 944.com again? Only
944.com.
Yep, so we got these tail lights from only944.com. These things are super nice. They're a Euro style, so they don't have the amber turn signal. So you're gonna need amber bulbs to put in the corner so you still have an amber turn signal.
It's bad, I'm gonna drop more money on my car.
Okay, cool.
So to remove the rear taillights, you're gonna wanna remove the 6 bolts that are not the 6 bolts, the 6 nuts that are on the back of the taillight lens. Because there's a bulb section, which also just has 1 bolt that goes through it. And you just wanna carefully snake the bolt out. Other than that, yeah, that's all there is to it. After you take those out, some of mine on the other side are going to be broken, so it'll be even faster to remove. But once you have those out, on the new taillight, you want to put a new taillight seal, because currently my taillights don't have a seal, so there's just a ton of water getting into my trunk. So let's get to it. We're just gonna go put the new seal on the taillight, and then we're gonna clean this all up and install it. Okay, so we're going to quickly remove the 2 bolts on the back of this side marker. It's the same for all the other sides. The guy that owned this car before me replaced the plastic like nuts with metal 8mm, so I'm going to have to remove those. Push the taillight, or push the side marker out, wipe around, put the new gasket in, push it back in, and tighten them up. And it's pretty easy, so yeah, here.
Okay, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We did the tail lights, we did the side markers, and you guys saw in the previous part we did the, what did we do? Well, we did the hatch seal. So as you guys can see, we've done a bunch of other stuff in here. We started to clean up this whole area now that water is no longer getting in here. And then at some point we're gonna do sound deadening, carpet, and then probably some plywood pieces wrapped in sound deadening and carpet to really finish off this trunk. I think Danny also said he wants to do a rear seat delete and then make some bins and have a spot for a sub. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Peace. Make sure to follow Danny. All of his stuff is down below.